The base BC, that is the distance of the second ship or the ship closer to the lighthouse, is 75 meter, and ship A is at a distance of 75 root 3 meter. We want to calculate distance between these two ships AB, that is we have mentioned by x meter. So we can say AB is equals to x is equals to AC minus BC. The answer of AC is 75 root 3 minus BC is 75. So we can calculate by taking 75 as common, 75 root 3 minus 1 meters. This is the distance between two ships A and B in the situation when both ships are sailing on the same side of the 75 meter tall lighthouse. As from the top of the lighthouse, the angles of depression are observed to be according to situation 30 degree and 45 degree. Now I am explaining you one more interesting example regarding the problem of angle of elevation and depression related to the buildings and towers. It is like this: from the top of 7 meter high building, there are two situations. First is the building is of height 7 meter. From this top, from the top of this building, the angles of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. Now from this line we must be very much clear that which object is higher. As we have discussed, as we have told you, that as and when we observe from lower to higher, angle of elevation forms, and whenever we see from the upper to lower, angle of depression makes. So here it is clear from the top of 7 meter high building. So observer is at the top of the building. Now observer observes that angle of elevation. Now to make angle of elevation, the observer has to see from lower to higher. That's why we must understand the second object, what that is the tower, has to be higher in comparison of the building. So before we draw the figure, we must read the problem 2 or 3 times. Then we must make clear that which object is higher or which object is smaller. So we are mentioning here, suppose this is the building 7 meter high. We can say it is AB. AB is the building 7 meter high, and person or observer is sitting at the top of this 7 meter high building, finds that angle of elevation of a cable tower. Suppose CD is the cable tower, and observer is calculating the angle of elevation. Elevation means only possibility of the angle of elevation is when we are going to see from lower to upper. It means that obviously we are on the top of the 7 meter high building and we are making angle of elevation from this situation. So automatically we must understand and must be clear that the tower, CD tower is the higher. Angle of elevation as written, that from the top of the 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. If I mention here point E, angle EAC is 60 degree. A is the point of observation, that is the top of the 7 meter high building. Now the same person from same situation in the same problem is observing angle of depression of its foot. Of its foot means foot of tower. From the same position, from the top of building, angle of depression. To observe, to make angle of depression, we must go from higher to lower. So from A to D we are observing D is the foot of the tower. The angle of depression is 45 degree. So as it is depression, so we must make here an angle of 45 by co-interior angle property. This angle has to be 45. These two are the angle of elevation and depression. They are the alternate interior angles. That's why these are equal. Now find the height of tower. That's why what we want to find, we want to find total height, this CD. Suppose this height is H. As the part AB, the height of building is 7. So part ED, this has to be how much? 7 meters, because these are the opposite sides of the rectangle. This is ED is 7 meter because the height of building AB is also 7 meter. So ultimate task left that if we can calculate CE, and when the height CE will be added to 7, that will give us the total height of our tower, that is the H. To calculate it, again we will apply the trigonometry in the two triangles. First, I am writing here what we have taken. AB is the building that is 7 meter high, and CD is our tower. Its height is what? H meters. Angles are already mentioned in the questions. Angle of elevation, that is angle E, we can say angle EAC 60 degree, and we have to write here first angle EAD. Angle EAD is 45 degree. We are mentioning EAD 45 because observer is at A, and in this situation angle is depression. That's why, because of alternate interior property, this is 45 degree. So this implies angle BDA. Angle BDA is also 45. Now we can see in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, we have perpendicular 7 meter high. We want to calculate first base BD. So 7 upon BD. 7 is our what? Perpendicular. BD is base. So this question is related to what? Tan property. That is the tan 45 degree. So 7 upon BD is equals to tan 45 is 1. We can write upon 1. Using concept of cross multiplication, we are getting BD is equals to 7 meters. This distance BD is 7 meters. If BD is 7, then what about AE? These are the parallel or opposite sides of the rectangle. So this implies the situation AE is also 7 meter. Now AE is 7. We want to calculate CE. So we will take which triangle? Triangle AEC. Now in triangle AEC, we want to calculate CE, that is the perpendicular of the triangle. We have calculated AE, that is how much? 7. We can write perpendicular upon base. For this triangle, theta is 60. So this is what? Tan of 60 degree. CE upon 7, perpendicular upon base, tan 60. So we can say CE upon 7 is root 3, implies that CE is equals to 7 root 3 meters. The length CE is 7 root 3. Length or height, you can say CE is 7 meters. So total height H. H can be written as CE plus ED. That is what gives us 7 root 3 plus 7. 7 is common, that is root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the total height of tower as per given situation. So what is required here to note that height of tower is more than the height of the building. The reason is from the top of the building we are observing the angle of elevation, and elevation is only possible when we are looking from lower to higher. And then with the help of this triangle we have obtained the base. With this base we have obtained AE. With this AE we have obtained CE. Already with the property of opposite sides of the rectangle DE we know, and after adding we have calculated the height of tower. So we can find a lot many problems for some application of trigonometry. Here we have discussed only selected important, and with the help of this theory and this technique you can solve any number of problems for doing the practice.